Are you ready to take your productivity up a notch? Looking for a portable monitor that can make your multitasker dreams come true? I've got just the thing for you. Hi, I'm Caitlin, and today I'm going to show you the LG 16-inch Gram Plus View IPS portable monitor. If you're watching this on YouTube, make sure you like, subscribe, and don't forget to tap that notification bell so you never miss out on any of our latest products. The LG 16-inch Gram Plus View portable monitor is a quick solution for creating a two-monitor system. It's a 1610 display with an ultra-slim design, and when it's paired with the 16-inch LG Gram, it creates a 3210 widescreen dual display. One of my favorite parts of this monitor is that it can be used both horizontally and vertically to accommodate whatever document needs viewing. And with Auto Pivot, it'll adjust the orientation of your screen automatically. The Gram Plus View utilizes its LG Monitor dedicated software called On-Screen Control to help you really customize how you work. On-Screen Control includes not only Auto Pivot, but also screen segmentation and screen adjustment. It's got an anti-glare panel that helps to still give you a bright and clear viewing even if you're outside. The WQXGA resolution on it is twice the resolution of Full HD, so you're going to get a really crisp picture. And it's got a DCI P3 99% wide color gamut, which is a 25% wider color area than sRGB, so you'll also get the colors you want out of your picture. The versatility of this thing is really amazing. It has two USB-C ports on either side of the monitor, so you can plug it into your LG laptop on whichever side you prefer. And it also comes with a folio cover that sticks like a magnet onto the Gram Plus View. And if you roll the cover back, you can use it as a stand with two different angle options of 105 degrees or 120 degrees. It's got a 60 Hz refresh rate, 8-watt power consumption, and weighs 1.49 pounds, which is over a pound lighter than the 16-inch LG Gram. If you have any other questions about the 16-inch LG Gram Plus View portable monitor, please reach out to us by phone, email, or chat with one of our experts online. We're always happy to help. From my point of view, you're going to want one of these. I'll see you next time.